so it never really kicked in. But what I've done, I have bumped that fridge down to I think it was -3, just to get it up a bit. So now we're drawing 2.6 amps, 33 watts. Alright, just see what it sort of does for the day. But that's an indication. So we're trying to get it down to about -3. As I said before, the ambient temperature around 26 today. And at the moment, currently drawing 2.4 amps. We'll see how it handles the day. It's only going to cycle through so many times a day, so of course it's going to draw a bit at the moment. Once it gets the temp, it goes in energy saving mode. But I actually like this fridge, and we'll just see how she goes by tomorrow morning.